Autonomous drone swarms, revolutionizing reforestation in Brazil's battle against deforestation. Brazil, a country synonymous with unparalleled biodiversity, faces the continuous challenge of deforestation, particularly in the Amazon rainforest and other vital biomes. Traditional reforestation methods, often manual and labor-intensive, struggle to keep pace with the scale of environmental degradation. However, a new frontier in ecological restoration is emerging. The deployment of autonomous drone swarms, offering an innovative, efficient, and scalable solution for rapid, precision-based reforestation. The technology behind precision reforestation. Autonomous drone swarms leverage cutting-edge robotics, AI, and ecological science to transform how deforested land is replanted. These systems consist of multiple drones working in concert, each equipped with sophisticated technology for mapping, analyzing, and planting. 1. Mapping and analysis. Before planting, drones equipped with LiDAR and multispectral imaging sensors conduct detailed surveys of the target area. This data creates high-resolution 3D maps, identifying optimal planting locations based on soil composition, topography, existing vegetation, sunlight exposure, and moisture levels. 2. Precision planting mechanism. The core of the technology lies in the drone's ability to deliver seeds with remarkable accuracy. Custom-designed payloads typically eject biodegradable seed pods using pressurized air or a gravity-fed system. These pods often contain pre-germinated seeds of native species, enriched with nutrients, mycorrhizal fungi, and protective coatings to enhance germination rates and early growth. 3. Swarm intelligence and navigation. Each drone in a swarm operates autonomously, but communicates with the central system and often with other drones. Advanced GPS, RTK, real-time kinematic positioning, and obstacle avoidance systems ensure precise flight paths and collision-free operations even in complex terrain or with dense swarm configurations. AI algorithms optimize flight patterns for maximum coverage and efficiency, adapting to real-time environmental data. Benefits for large-scale reforestation. The advantages of employing drone swarms in reforestation are multifaceted and significant. Unprecedented efficiency and speed. Drones can cover vast, often challenging areas significantly faster than human planters. A single swarm can potentially plant hundreds of thousands of seeds per day, accelerating reforestation timelines exponentially. Cost reduction. While the initial investment in drone technology can be substantial, the long-term operational costs are considerably lower than traditional manual planting, especially for large-scale projects. Reduced labor requirements and improved logistical efficiency contribute to this. Access to inaccessible terrain. Drones can reach remote, rugged, or dangerous areas that are difficult or impossible for human teams to access, such as steep slopes or recently burnt landscapes. Enhanced precision and accuracy. By analyzing environmental data, drones can place seeds in the most favorable microclimates and soil conditions, significantly increasing survival rates of young saplings. This contrasts with indiscriminate broadcasting methods. Integrated monitoring capabilities. Beyond planting, these drones can return to monitor growth, detect signs of disease or pest infestations, and track the overall health of the reforested area, providing valuable data for adaptive management. AI and machine learning. Optimizing outcomes. The integration of AI and machine learning is crucial for maximizing the effectiveness of drone reforestation. ML algorithms analyze vast datasets collected by the drones, including historical success rates, local ecological patterns, and current environmental conditions. This allows for dynamic species selection. AI can recommend the most suitable native species for specific microsites within a larger reforestation area, fostering greater biodiversity and ecosystem resilience. Optimize planting density. Machine learning determines the ideal density and spacing for seeds to thrive, preventing overcrowding in some areas and underplanting in others. Predictive analytics. AI models can predict potential challenges, e.g., drought risk, pest outbreaks, and adjust planting strategies or future monitoring efforts accordingly, improving long-term success. Challenges and successful projects. Despite their promise, challenges remain. These include the initial capital investment, developing robust seed supply chains for diverse native species, overcoming regulatory hurdles, and ensuring community engagement. In Brazil, several initiatives, often collaborations between tech companies, environmental organizations, and local governments, are exploring this technology. While specific named large-scale projects are still emerging as prototypes scale up, conceptual successes demonstrate the viability. For instance, projects have shown how drones can plant various native tree seeds, contributing to ecological corridors or restoring degraded pastures. Early trials have demonstrated significantly higher germination rates and reduced human effort compared to conventional methods. The results often highlight the ability to restore biodiversity faster and more economically, paving the way for larger implementations, scalability, and future potential. The potential for autonomous drone swarms extends far beyond Brazil's borders and beyond reforestation. This technology can be scaled up for a multitude of environmental conservation projects globally, including restoration of fire-damaged landscapes, rapidly reseed areas devastated by wildfires, rehabilitation of mining sites, accelerate ecological recovery in industrially scarred lands, creation of biodiversity corridors, connect fragmented habitats to support wildlife migration and genetic diversity, combating desertification, plant drought-resistant species in arid regions. By harnessing the power of autonomous drone swarms, Brazil, and indeed the world, can look towards a future where environmental restoration is not just reactive but proactive, efficient, and capable of restoring ecological balance on a grand scale. The convergence of robotics, AI, and ecological knowledge offers a compelling vision for a greener planet.